Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually print this spreadsheet right here. First, we want to go right up here, and we want to click on the file menu up here. All right, let me uncheck that. And notice, go back again. This is what happens on this side. It's a new save open. So this is surface print. So you want to click on red print. Just the same. All right, if you notice, everything right here, sure can just go ahead. You notice it's your printer offline. That's the same. Alright, click right here and everything prints. But then again, no. What if I don't want to print these two sections right here? If I come like this and I block these two and go back to the printing area, right? Print this. Alright, so if you notice inside here, so right, it's a print active sheet. Now if I come like this now. Notice it's a print only active sheet right here. It's a print the entire sheet. You notice it's a print the selection. So if I come like this and say print the selection, I notice it's on the show right here. Definitely. Just like that. So definitely you can actually do a whole lot of stuff. So if I go back like this now and I take off that, I want to highlight this. So I want this alone to print. Right. Go back again. Click on the print. Right. If I come back right here now, you notice right here. So it alone is right there. So it's very important. So this is how you actually go ahead and print an Excel spreadsheet. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.